Alright, so I totally forgot to hit record the voice intro at the airport. Classic. But I made it to Long Beach, and we are officially kicking off this back-to-back cruise adventure. Alright, just walking over to the shuttle right now. Actually, the area where it picks us up. Shuttle's not here. Have another, like, 30 minutes. Cute, nice little mural. There we go. Nice little... The shuttle has arrived. Let's drop off the bag, and then we're off. Alright, I got my bag checked in. I only brought one bag in my backpack. And I'm gonna get in this little line. Doesn't look too bad. Just make sure you get here or wherever your ship is leaving out of at your correct boarding time. They will kick you out of line. I did see, so I've been waiting here for a couple of minutes. I saw a couple people being turned away. So make sure you get here at your right time. Alright, I am all checked in, and it's now time to go to the ship. To ship. Thank you. So check-in was really quick and easy. I waited in line for maybe like 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes through the line to get to security. And then it probably took maybe 10 minutes once I was inside to go through. So not bad, 15 minutes total. Alright, let's get on board this beauty. Alright, this is the final turn. Now this is my first time on this ship, so you're really gonna get a kind of raw reaction. Woo! I am aboard. Alright, here we go. Aboard. Woo!
Multiple lines, come on.
Welcome. I need the barcode on your boarding pass. Manuel?
Yep.
Welcome aboard, sir.
Thank you. Alright, here we are, elevation of the seas. Oh my gosh, my hairs are standing right now. Oh, it's a beautiful ship so far. Oh my god. I know I just stepped on, but man, this is beauty for sure. So if you didn't know, the first day they usually have a lot of deals if you didn't pre-purchase anything. And also some cool merchandise too on first day. So let's check it out. Like, I've been looking for a new lanyard for the longest time, and I think this is going to be the one for me. But yeah, if you didn't get a drink package, you could get it down here, specialty restaurants. Also, they have like liquor bottle specials, but you can't drink it. They usually give it to you the last day of the cruise. Alright, let's continue checking this place out. Alright, so if you didn't know, my tradition, first day on the cruise, has got to be espresso martini. And that is what my friend just made me.
Yes, sir. Welcome on board.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Welcome on board.
Cheers to the first drink. It's 12:30, but it's 5 o'clock somewhere. I'm staying in room 7252. This is a single occupant stateroom. Balcony too. And it is cute. I will say it is cute. Your double occupancy usually has a couch either on one side of the bed. This one, obviously, it's one person, so I guess couch isn't really needed. But you do have your storage up top. You have your storage on both sides, it looks like. Yeah, plenty of storage in this place. Got some drawers for additional storage. If you forget your blow dryer, they do have one. And this is not a refrigerator, it's considered a cooler, so it won't, you know, keep your stuff super cold, but it will keep it cool. I guess that's what the sign says too. Keep it cool. I guess I'm gonna make some tea, huh? Alright, now let's check out the balcony. It's cute. Still have 2 chairs. Now this is the Port of LA, which is a huge shipping, where shipping containers come in from China and everywhere else around the world. So it's not like going out of Florida. Florida's a little bit prettier. This is very like industrial. Alright, back inside the room. Let's keep the AC in. Hello. Alright, let's check out the restroom. And this restroom is like your standard Royal Caribbean size restroom, I think. It's just on Wonder in November, and I will say, let's sit on the seat and see if it's about the same. Yep, it seems about the same. Storage. Cute room. Alright. And that is the single occupant balcony room. Since I'm on the ship for more than 3 days, yes, I'm sticking on the ship after going to Ensenada and back. Gonna do Cabo, overnight in Cabo and back. So now it's time to unpack and make this little room feel like home.
Anything you want me to, I'll pay.
Alright, so if you didn't know, crab cake is actually one of my favorite seafood dishes. I'm going to talk a little soft and low, so I do have other people at this table.
We work 3 jobs.
Sauce there.
Work 12-hour day, 4
Can't
days.
wait.
1 week, they work 3-hour days. With 3 12-hour shifts. Next week, they rotate back and forth. Plus, we work at the LA County Fair, all the time at service. I'm driving a tram. Yeah.
Working egg.
A solid 10 out of 10.
That's a crab cake? How is it?
Delicious. If you know me, you know that I love a good shrimp cocktail. Let's check this baby out. That is delicious. Tasty. Alright, so I got a little happy and I already cut my prime rib there. But let's give it a try. And see how this is. Good. And now, time for my dessert. I got a Boston cream pie. Looks delicious. Let's give this a try. I honestly don't know if I had a Boston cream pie here before, so we will see how this is.
Don't.
That is definitely a Boston cream pie.
So you go to the restaurant. I went to the restaurant. Right?
Definitely.
So when you go, it's a
Definitely will have this again.
Action has only one room around your head. For me, you make it. Oh, you make it. For me, you make it.
Alrighty, so I'm winding down the day, and the best way to wind it down is at Sorrento's. If you don't know, this is probably the best pizza you will have on a ship. But you know what? I haven't been on any other ships or cruise lines that I remember. I've been on Carnival one time when I was 16. I don't remember if they had pizza or not, but I will say this pizza is freaking delicious. I'm gonna eat this pizza and go to bed. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.